September 17, 2019, Tropical Storm Imelda made landfall near Freeport on the Texas Gulf Coast. With a sustained wind speed of only 40 miles an hour, there was little expectation of damage from the storm. It would ultimately be Imelda's slow movement inland that would wreak havoc across southeast Texas, leaving roads impassable and thousands of people stranded. As much as Houston was affected by the storm, peak rainfall for Imelda was in Jefferson County, about 100 miles to the east. I-10 was closed entirely for days as stormwaters flooded the roadway along the Trinity River Basin, with rainfall totals of up to 43 inches. On the 19th, the worst of the rains hit Houston. The over a foot of water received during the storm quickly overwhelmed storm sewers and then pushed bayous to flood stage. This footage was shot along I-10 hours after the rain had stopped. Even when the water was draining out of the road, abandoned cars lay scattered as an army of tow trucks worked non-stop. This stretch reopened the next morning, but it would be days before the Trinity recessed. All in all, over 500 people were rescued and over 1,600 cars were towed in the worst storm to hit Houston since Harvey.